So now we're going to show you what floating does. If you don't use any floats with your images, your text will appear right below the image. If you float left and float right, it should go left or right. But you'll notice the entire page sort of breaks here because these images are bigger than the box that they're in. I'm going to show you how to fix that, and we'll go back and look at the code on how I styled them. So this is where using the inspect feature can come in really handy because you can go and test things without having to restart. So I went in here and I'm going to select the specific area I want to look at. So I'm going to inspect that, and I'm going to change the div settings. So what's happening here is the image is bigger than the div, and so that causes what we like to call an overflow, and we can handle that. So if we specifically handle it, it's going to make it grow. And so now, when I float left, float right, no float, I put that up at the top, you can see the differences. So let's go ahead and fix that in our actual code. So I need this overflow auto. So I'm going to go on, I'm just going to type that one in because it's only one line of code, and I'm going to fix a couple other things. So up here, I want this to apply to all of the divs. So I'm going to do overflow auto. And that won't make a difference with the background image though. I do want to get rid of that. And so I'm going to save this, and we're going to go back out into here, into Chrome, and I'm going to refresh. And so now no float. The dog automatically here is left aligned, but the text is underneath it. When I float left, that means my text will come up next to it, so they appear side by side. When I float right, the image floats right and the text will be up next to it on the left. So that's what floats do for you. Let's take another look at that code. And so you can see I've added style float right. And I'm doing this on the image because I haven't done any specific image styling up here. I could do some image styling, and if I put it up here, it'll apply to everything. And we'll just make the width equal to 30% of the page. And I need to do that with a colon because of where I'm at here. And then I'm going to save that. And that will apply to all images. You only use inline styles when you want it to just apply to that image. So when I go back out to my images page and reset, you can see that I've changed the size of every image, but not the background images, because that's not counted as normal images. Background images are treated differently.